Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert HTML table to PDF using HTML to PDF.js library in Angular. Yes, as you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the video tutorial. I am going to use Visual Studio Code as the code editor. So I have opened the code editor. Now I am going to open the project folder which I have already created for Angular related tutorials. As you can see that there are no files inside this folder. I just opened the empty folder. Now I am going to create a new terminal by clicking terminal, new terminal. Yes, it is opened PowerShell, but I want command prompt, so I changed that. Okay, now I'm going to create a new Angular project using this command ng space new space project name. HTML to PDF is the project name. You can use anything whatever you want. I copied the command and I pasted it here. Then I hit enter. Before that, make sure you have installed Angular CLI on the operating system. If you don't know how to do that, just search Angular CLI in my website. You will find the link to how to install Angular CLI successfully. Now it is asking on question, would you like to add Angular routing? If you want to add Angular routing, you have to click Y. Otherwise, you have to click N. Which style sheet format would you like to use? This is the second question. I am going to use CSS as the style sheet. If you want, you can use the arrow keys to change the style sheet to SCSS, SASS and LESS. Okay, I just hit enter. Now it is started to install some packages. It will take a couple of minutes. Please wait until that. As you can see that we have successfully created a new Angular project called HTML to PDF. Okay. Now just navigate to the directory using the cd command, cd space project name HTML to PDF. It is successfully navigated. Okay, now I am going to install a library called HTML to PDF.js. For that you have to use this npm command, npm space I means install space the library name. I copied the command and I pasted it here. When I hit enter, it is installing the library. It will take a couple of minutes. Please wait until that. After that, you have to copy and paste the codes to the respective files app.component.html, app.component.ts. That's it. Finally, you have to add one line to the tsconfig.json file. Otherwise, could not find a declaration file or file for module HTML to PDF.js Angular error will occur. Okay. It is successfully installed. Okay, now open src inside app, open app.component.html, then copy and paste the HTML code which contains the table and the button with on click function. I copy and pasted the code. After that I am going to copy and paste the app.component.ts. Replace the code, save the file. Then you need to add this code tsconfig.json. You can see that it is showing one error, could not find a declaration file for module. To resolve that, you need to open tsconfig.json. Then inside that you need to add this code, no implicit any. Save. You can see that the error is not showing. Okay. Inside the HTML file, we declared the title, then div with class container, then table with id table and the class table script. Then I included bootstrap for styling purposes, then jQuery, then a button with the function download. When button on click, the function will be executed. Okay, here the download function we put some codings, variable element equal to document.getElement by id we will get the get element by using the table ID. You can see here the ID is table. Yes. After that, we declare the options which is available in HTML2 PDF.js library. Variable options equal to margin 1, file name output.pdf. If you want, you can change the output name here. Image, you can change the type, then you can change the quality. Then HTML2 canvas, you can change the scale. For JS PDF, you can change the unit, format, orientation, portrait. If you want portrait, you can mention it here. If you want landscape, you can mention it here. That's it. Finally, HTML2 PDF from element set option save, which will be executed when the button is clicked, right? That's it, guys. Now I'm going to run this project. To run this project, you have to use one command. As I have already told that you need to install Angular CLI first. If you don't know how to do that, just search in my website Angular CLI. You can find how to install Angular CLI in Windows. Step by step you can find that. To run the project, you have to use this command ng space serve space -- open. Now I'm going to ng space serve space -- open. It will take a couple of minutes. You need to wait until that. It is generating browser application bundles. As you can see that the project is successfully opened in the browser, Chrome browser. You can see that when I click the download PDF button, the PDF will be downloaded automatically in the name of output.pdf. When I open that, you can see that the table is successfully converted to PDF. You can see John Doe John. That's it, guys. I hope this video tutorials helps you to convert HTML table to PDF using HTML2 PDF.js library. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment. We will help you. If you want to receive more updates about Angular, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.